Quentin King, welcome. Thanks for being here, everybody. Paul here, Music Villa, Bozeman, Montana. And today, Quentin, do you know what you're playing there?
I do now.
Yeah, you just looked at the tag.
I just looked at it, yeah.
But it's custom shop.
Yes.
So this is the classic 814 Taylor, right? So they now have opened up, when we do custom shop runs, we can do an 814 X-brace like they used to, like
the good old days.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, and they're all wonderful instruments, the 814s, the variations over the years, correct? They're all wonderful. But to me, this is the classic, right? And it's the way I remember it, like in the heyday of 814. It was just, this was the most...
These specs, these features.
Yeah.
And this is, what I would say is, this is a cream of the crop representation of that, right? I mean,
I agree. This thing sounds amazing.
The maple binding really pulls out the rose within the rosewood.
Yeah.
Maple binding on the neck.
Look at how flamey it is.
Yeah, it's really a gorgeous guitar.
And look at the neck. I mean, that's what you get when custom shop. Look at the back. Look at all the flame in the mahogany and the maple there. It's just a cool guitar. But it sounds...
It sounds like a traditional
like an 814.
Taylor.
Yeah. We just did it straight up. So pickup, you could add whatever pickup you wanted. We have it just cut away and then...
Yeah, no electronics.
No electronics, so that you can just decide whatever pickup system you want.
Which is kind of, it's
Everyone
fine to
likes
see the buttons up here.
Yeah.
But I'm a K&K guy.
Yeah.
The ones that the manufacturers provide are fine, but I just really like K&K's Trinity system, the blender, condenser, and whatnot. But
there's a bunch of good
there is
ones
something nice about just seeing a clean guitar.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got a classic sound.
Yeah.
I can feel a little bit more kick. There's some low end resonance that you might not feel on some of the other models, like the V braces.
Yeah.
The V's, in my experience, I think a lot of people would agree, they focus.
Yeah.
But the X gives it a little bit more. Like I can feel that.
Yeah.
That low E. I mean, it's not going to be like a J. 200 or something like that, or a big dreadnought. But there's definitely more.
Dig. Nice. All right. Custom shop Taylor. Classic 814.
Specs and features.
Yeah,
Right.
Yeah. Like I said, there's so many different variations of it that I just always, recall this one as being the classic.
The one you grew up with.
Yeah, exactly.
So to speak. Again, just really gorgeous.
It looks beautiful.
Beautiful rosewood.
Excellent guitar. It was a classic for a reason.
Somebody's
and now
gonna
it's
dig
back.
This. Yeah, it's back.
It's back at Music Villa. So come check it out, musicvilla.com, and thanks for watching.